Ready to race. Race number 1. Santa Ana Park. And the race is on. Magnetic from the outside. One more time, sweetie. Moving up by the rail cut down on the inside is My Name, John. One more time, sweetie. By about 2 lengths on the outside is Magnetic. My Name, John. Oh, Diamond Smart racing on the outside. Then Count Passion for Gold. Roman Wheel down on the inside, Honor Class. It's now one more time, sweetie. Diamond Smart on the outside, Magnetic. Racing on the outside is Barbie and Passion for Gold. And rounding the far 10, one more time, sweetie. Diamond Smart's Magnetic. Moving up by the rail, Barbie, Passion for Gold, My Name, John. As they race the last 500, Diamond Smart's now the leader. Magnetic is running by the rail as they race the final corner. Diamond Smart's the leader, followed by Magnetic in second. One more time, sweetie. Passion for Gold. Entering the last 150 meters more to run. Diamond Smarts by about 6 lengths now. And finally, Miles Bakal Pilapil on Diamond Smart. Second, one more time, sweetie. Passion for Gold, Magnetic, Honor Class, Pentafecta.